In this video, I will show you how to get notes on Messenger. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Facebook Messenger. Now, Messenger has rolled out a notes feature, which is similar to the notes feature on Instagram. So what you can do, if you come into your Messenger, you can actually press here where it says your note, and you can go ahead and share a note. So you just type it and then press the blue share button in the top right hand corner. So this is currently in the process of being rolled out. So if you don't have this yet, there's a couple of things you can try to see if you can get the notes feature. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is completely come out of Facebook Messenger if you do have it opened. So you want to go ahead and close that down on your device. Once you've done that, you want to go into the Play Store or the App Store if you're on iPhone and search for Messenger. What you need to do next is click onto the Messenger app, and if there is an update available, the blue open button here is going to say update. So you want to make sure you update to the latest version of Messenger. Then what you can do is open up Messenger on your device and see if you have access to the notes feature. Now, if you've tried that but you still don't see the notes feature, a couple more things you can do is clearing your cache. So to do that, you want to open up the settings on your device, and what you want to do is search for apps. Now this is generally underneath general management, but if you do have a search icon like myself, you can go ahead and search for apps on your device. So what it's going to do is bring up all the apps on your device. From here, you want to locate the Messenger app. So it is in alphabetical order, so you just want to scroll down to M and look for Messenger. Once you've located Messenger, press onto it to be taken to the app info screen. Now what you need to do next is scroll down slightly until you see the option for storage and press onto storage. Then go ahead and clear the cache by pressing the clear cache button at the bottom. If you're on an iPhone, what you need to do is actually offload the app. So it's a similar process, but instead of clear cache, it's going to say offload app. So you just want to go ahead and offload the app instead. Once that's done, go ahead, open up Messenger on your device and see if you do have access to Notes. Now, if you've tried this and you still don't have access, then it's possible that Notes isn't actually available in your country at the moment. Because this is a relatively new feature at the time of recording, Facebook is still rolling this out across Messenger for all its countries. So if you've tried those steps and you don't see the Notes feature, don't worry, as the Notes feature will be available when it's rolled out in your country. But with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.